Okay, 2019 Ford F-150, right? So I got these mounts on Amazon for under 12 bucks or 10 bucks. You just have to measure them out to get them on. See right there, has the 8-inch Sync 3. So basically, you can do this, mount them. This is a iPad Pro 12.9, 2018. I have a 2020, same identical thing. They have no screen, no buttons, and full screen. So works perfectly fine. You can use a charger with these mounts perfectly. You can get I use this one because it's cool. What I do is I put it over here on this side, and it's out of the way. Has a special hook right there, and perfectly, not bothering me at all. I have AT&T charger here, perfect place for it. Can be placed on both sides. So I have my phone here, looking at me, driving, look down really quick, see text, or if you have it on your iPad as well. So basically, press media. Hopefully I don't have something stupid playing. So volume, no problem here. Skip, no problem. All through the steering wheel. You can mute it, or switch media, whichever you want to do. So no problem at all. So you can do all this, plus you can use your Waze, all that better on this screen. This is why I did it, because I like my unit here. Backup camera, easy. If you really want to use it, pick up your tablet and use it. I use this slinky whatever kind of cord because I want to have it tight and not long as cord everywhere. But I did install a rear view camera dash with the front, so it runs front and back. See, so no problem at all. So I could do either one and I'm perfectly fine. So that's the thing. This gives me the convenience, easy, didn't pay hundreds of dollars with those custom units. So you can do whatever. Cost me under 15 bucks. You can say under 20 with, 20 depending on the cable you get. Paid under 12 bucks, I think, for these two. They came with the adhesive. Once they're done and you clean out the area with the alcohol pad, or you get one, wipe it down, boom, perfect. It's been on for a few months, no issues. And this is not a little truck. This was a lifted 7-inch ready lift with 37-inch tires. So it gets shaky. Don't fall off. The weight of the iPad keeps it sturdy in its place. So I like it. It has all the features with the camera right there. It unlocks it. I gave this one to my nephew, so not my face scan anymore, but not bad. Controls, you're cruising, perfect angle. Plus, we have our AT&T wireless charger, Qi charger, whatever you call them. Here, perfect angle for the F-150. My nephew found this spot. Suction cup, perfect. Face this towards you. It's charging wirelessly to your phone, but it has a wire. It's there, done, out of the way. You can actually move this somewhere else if you want. It doesn't really bother AC controls or anything. So I like it, easy. Didn't have to do tons of money. So when I upgrade the sound system, we don't have to worry about the screen. I already have a 12.9. Don't have to wait for a 2021 or 20 F-150.